Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow, stack it high, watch it grow, giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find, treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore, stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight, silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance, treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow, stack it high, watch it grow, giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacking that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest, riches await. You're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest, riches await. You're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side, ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase, treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Who's ready? Let me get a mic check. How does the mic sound? How does the mic sound? Let's go. Who's ready? Oh, we're ready to go. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the bot is fixed. Channel members, you have the new Braveheart emoji. I think I fixed the mic issue. Did all that in just 40 minutes. Here we go. 45 seconds till we go. Smash that like button if you're excited. We just made an all new high in silver. Let's go. Come on. Get him up. Let's go. Yes. We're gonna do a channel intro from a subscriber, their kid. Let's see if he nails it. Here we go. Here we go.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker. Coming to you live. Oh, wow. I got to plug in my headphones. There we go. My headphones weren't plugged in. Coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Walmart's over 1,600 videos from around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 36 subscribers away from the next big show, 44,600. I think we could do it. And if we can, hit it live. We will celebrate it live. 212 people on the stream. Smash that like button. 52 more likes to 100. Silver, we just made an all new high. This is a retroactive alert. 71.58 on silver. Spot. Silver futures is climbing back up. 71.58. Remember, the all-time high in futures was 71.76. Our next target is 71.75. We've got 44 minutes here until the market closes. Remember, it closes for an hour. It's an hour break, and then it takes back over in after hours. All new high on gold. Wow. Wow. Gold hit 4,499. 4,499. $1 off from 4,500. That's our target. Let's see what we could do here. The last 45 minutes of trading. Let me know in chat what you guys think. Is it going to be explosive to the upside, explosive to the downside, or just boring consolidation? 230 people live. Thank you so much. 57 likes. Smash that like button if you're excited. Thank you to everybody who's been this is my third stream today. Thank you for all the super chats and the members who joined, all the new members. Thank you for the gifting the members. And remember, I promised it. It's happening after this stream. Channel members only. We're going to the war room. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. And by being a channel member, you get entrance, admittance to that. What a wild time to be alive. Gold to silver ratios in the 62, 62.8. Now we had unseated Apple, then we had a little bit of a pullback. Apple pushed back, but ladies and gentlemen, we're going to knock Apple right back out of there again. So do not worry about that. As Gold Silver HQ is saying, silver is still dirt cheap versus gold. Should be at $90 now, only to be, wait, it should be $90 an ounce right now just to be the 100-year average. Price based on current mining ratio suggestion, 640. Do you guys think gold should be 640? Or silver, I mean, silver, Gold Silver HQ says so. Nostra House of Gold is saying platinum hit 10% limit up, but trading has not been halted. Weird. Wow. Interesting. What a wild time. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Buckle up, as Daniel Johnson saying we've entered the feedback loop zone for the bankers. They shorted everything. And now they have to buy it back and cover their losses. It's a feedback loop of doom. The bankers are not doing well today as we continue to make all-time highs. Silver futures is continuing to go up. We're only 70, what would that be? 26 cents away from the all-time high in futures. And we've got 52 minutes left in the market. What do you guys think is going to happen? Silver Crusader saying, are you a Washington Quarter fan? I see endless video games when I look at a pile. I love that. Silver quarters, I remember going to arcades. My day and age, they most likely were not mostly silver, at least. Israel saying, let's skip the foreplay and revalue silver at 5,000 an ounce. Here's the AI guy, guys. This guy right here is 100% AI. There's now like 8 to 10 different YouTube channels that are all AI generated. This is him. Some of the stuff he says is true, enough to get you hooked, but a lot of it is sensationalism, and there's some straight fake information on there. So beware the AI channels. They want max likes, watches, and interactions. So be careful there. If you see a video with him, he's a fake AI guy. Tonight's steak and eggs, says Weimer Silver Baron. Guys and gals, who's eating some steak and eggs tonight because of the silver price? And we've got a nice build up here. Look at, when I logged off, it blew through that bull flag. We got a nice formation here forming. See what we can do here with silver. And gold's moving sideways. I have a 5-ounce coins from slots in Cripple Creek from the 90s. That's awesome. 1990 to be at precise. That's from Kedding. That's cool, Kedding. Big mega. But they cannot contain silver below 71. They can't. They've tried. Look at this chart, guys. After, when the Asian markets, wait, no. Asian markets were back. I can't remember. Anyways, we went up. They smacked us down. We went up. They tried to smack us. This is where we're at now. Continuing to make all-time highs. And we might just be seconds away from another all-time high on silver. And now I think I fixed the microphone issue. I did it super quick, so I might have messed it up, but I think I fixed it. So hopefully the mic does not cut out during this stream. If so, I can fix it in about 10 seconds, so no problems. Santa's surfing. He's posting the AI guy too, guys. Stop posting the AI guy. 300 people on, 350, 85 likes, 15 more likes to 100. I know we can do it. Wow. Silver 2025. Who's celebrating the Santa Silver Rally? SSR, Santa Silver Rally. And Eric Williams, channel member, saying Asian markets will push silver over 72. I do have a, as a matter of fact, I do have a poll going. 174 votes so far. What will silver be tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time after the Asian market? 70% of you say between 73 to 75. 6% say below 70. 13% say 75 plus. 12% says it will move sideways. So we'll see what happens there. But y'all are extremely bullish, and so am I. As the silver futures, 71 to 52. Don't worry, we're going to knock Apple back out. Don't panic. But we did dethrone them for the first time ever in history. So silver price hits the mark, $70 per troy ounce. Try 71. Already out of date. Silver at 50, resistance, short it. Silver at 60, too high, short it. Silver at 70, extended, short it. Meanwhile, hold my beer, says Naaman Mattel. Markets don't care about your shorts. They care and only care about momentum and fundamentals. TF Metals report saying, I can't overstate how important this is. Over the past 9 days through Monday, COMEX gold is up $215 or 5.1%, with the total contract open interest up 66,500 or 15.2%. Normal usual price versus open interest action. COMEX silver is up $7.75, 12%, but the total OI is up only 2,000 contracts. Bank very reluctant, I can't say it. Reluctant, there we go, to add new shorts. As such, sellers of existing contracts must be found to meet all new spec long demand in silver. Wow. Buckle up. And thank you so much to Roger. Roger just became a new channel member. Helps the channel a lot. And all channel members, get access to the War Room. The War Room will be happening after this stream, I promise you. Channel members will be going to the War Room at the end of this stream. Check out your new channel member emojis, Roger. Hope you enjoy them. And all channel members, I just added in the Braveheart emoji for channel members. So check that out. So when we say hold the line, you guys can just drop it. Mortimer had another heart attack. Not looking good for Mortimer. What we got going on here? Platinum all new high today. Who's got platinum in the chat? Let me know. I've been saying for a while, platinum short term and palladium, I think you can make some money on it, but long term, I'm not bullish at all. Short term, I think there's opportunity. Silver goes into backwardation as price breaks 70. That was yesterday. Let's see how close to backwardation we are. $71.51 is the futures. We're 71.44. You guys, on the next push up, we will likely go back into backwardation, albeit maybe momentarily. It will probably happen. The War Room is a members only live stream, and what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. You must be fully clothed for the War Room. This is not only crabs. 44,566 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means only 34 more subscribers until the next big show, and we'll do it live here. Once we get 44,600, it's time for the big show. Perspective, I traded all my gold for silver on September 16th at 42.57. Good job, Daniel. Good job, Daniel. What was the gold to silver ratio back then, Daniel? Off the top of your head. Gold to silver ratio right now is 62.8 to 1. Wow. Ooh. Joey's saying I have the half-gram platinum Libertad from Barbados, but no other platinum. That's cool. Silver's only going up for here, says Silver Shadow. Let's go ahead and check this. Market closes for the hour break, 43 minutes. Gold and silver and platinum, highest daily close in history. Dollar bugs are in disbelief. Like that. Breaking, the dollar's dying, saying Weimar Silver Baron. Okay, we're moving sideways. We're getting ready for the next leg up on gold and silver. Remember, right before the stream started, we hit 4,499 gold, $1 away from 4,500, and silver hit an all-new high of 71.58. Futures is creeping back up here. Let's see what we can do. Already have a deal to buy some more silver, says SoFlow Stacking. Gonna get uncirculated details. Graded Morgan under spot this week for 50. Wow. Make sure they're real, SoFlow. Make sure they're real. You know how to do it. But for everyone watching that doesn't know how, remember, with gold and silver prices going so crazy, there's all kinds of fakes before this. There's even more now. You can protect yourself for cheaper than an ounce of silver. Link is in the description. It's called the Pocket Pinger. It comes with the free phone application. The application does all the work and tells you if it's a real gold or silver coin. This is actually made by a YouTuber and subscriber of the channel called Sound Money. So check it out in the link below. It gets you the best deal on this, but also helps support the channel. And listen right now, here's the sound of real money. You hear that? The sound of real money, physical silver, and physical gold. This stuff right here, physical silver, physical gold. This stuff has betrayed people throughout the history, throughout the ages. Buying power slowly inflated away. The hidden tax of inflation. Remember, the Federal Reserve is not federal. It's a private entity. If you didn't know that, did not know that in chat. I'm curious how many of you did not know that, but it is not a federal entity. It's private. And on their website, they literally say their goal is 2% inflation each year. So they're admitting to your face they're gonna tax you at a minimum of 2% each year, continually compounding. Bought a pocket pinger from your link today, says James Moore. Awesome, James. Thank you for the support, but most importantly, congratulations. That is such a good investment for gold and silver stackers. To me, it's a mandatory tool. I also have, here's what I use the majority of the time. Whoops, sorry. It's called a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro. These things are about $3 grand, so not cheap, but they do resistivity test. They check the density and they work very well, but it's a lot bigger investment. Oh, it's from your coin guy. Okay, cool. Yeah, that is so true. If you sell it on eBay after fees, you're at least 12.5%. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. You guys, the market closes in 40 minutes. What's going to happen? What do you guys think? Put up if you think we're going to finish up. Put down if you think we're going to finish down. Put sideways if you think we're going to move sideways. Guys, we're at 149 likes. Can we get one more to get us to 150? Not only does it help the channel, and I appreciate it greatly, but it helps wake up more people to gold and silver. Many people on YouTube have discovered gold and silver from YouTube videos. We got people all saying up. I think it's going to be up already for the day. We're up 3.43% with silver. Wow. Gold, we're up 1%. 1.07. Okay, we're creeping back up on futures. Wow. You guys, we got just 39 more minutes of market. My LCS ran out of silver today. Super busy there, says James Moore. James, what state is that in? Upward, Floyd Lawton, I'm saying from here, from the level we're at right now. Are we going to finish above this level, below this level, or sideways? That's what I meant. Sorry, I wasn't clear enough on that. I just yelled out my window, I'm rich as hell and I'm not going to sell, says Poker John. He's got diamond hands. If you've got diamond hands or diamond claws, let us know in chat. Wow. That is dedication. That's in Texas. We have reports of a coin shop in Texas running out of silver. I have reports from California. He's seen more buyers than sellers, and many of the buyers are first-time buyers. Wow. Buckle up. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got 38 minutes left in this trading session, and boy, has it been explosive already. And I ate Taco Bell earlier, and it's messing with my stomach. Not good. Not good at all, folks. Okay. COMEX inventory report. I'll retweet this so you guys can read it later. It's important stuff. Wow. Okay, I was just seeing if there's any major updates on X there, formerly known as Twitter. Make sure you're following me to stay up to date even when I'm not live. INTL stacker. International would not fit, unfortunately. SoFlow stacking saying, IS, a lot of people are saying their LCSs is running out of silver. Another perk of being friends with an honest LCS is that you can just ask them to hold silver for you later. Now that's mega. Good job, SoFlo. That's why it's so good to have a local coin shop and to build those relationships, honestly. Because you get perks like that. Will silver go down after Christmas? I don't think so, Rotor. I mean, could we have a correction? Sure. But we got a lot of momentum. A very thin, tight market. Thin, tight market. Bullion banks are still very short on silver, so I think it's unlikely for something long-term. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. 414 people on, 169 likes. Thank you so much. That means we're only 31 likes away from 200. I know we can do it. Currently, the like to viewer ratio is in backwardation. 7144 as we're getting ready for another run here. We've got 36 minutes left in this market. $95 silver saying the real geared up survival. Remember, channel members, we will be going to the war room at the end of the stream. Matter of fact, let me check one setting here. I just want to make sure that the teleportations work for chat. Nice. 9 likes away from 200. Smash it. $95 silver. Korea demands it. That is true. The real geared up survival. That's so funny. I really appreciate that comment. There is no alternative to silver, says Weimer Silver Baron. No one credible can debate this. It's true commodity money. It's store of hyperconductivity. Remember, it's the best conductor of electricity and the most reflective metal. Look at that failed slam. No, no, no. Look at that. Here, we'll go here. Okay. I want to know why some online dealers who used to give premium for ASCs when buying from me don't anymore. They're treating all ASCs as random years. Floyd Lawton, like when markets go crazy, premiums on stuff drop, and it's just like, it's just what they do to protect themselves. Okay. I know that sounds like a cheap cop out, but they're just trying to protect themselves. It is what it is. Silver will be $100 plus permanently in the coming years, says Silver Lover. How many of you agree with Silver Lover? Let us know in chat. Hi, Krabby, says John Jacobs. Good to see you. Guys, we got 33 minutes left, essentially, in the market. Futures is creeping up. We're moving sideways and consolidating. Can we make one more all-time high before the market closes? And remember, the market will close for an hour or pause. Will be a break. And then trading will pick back up in after hours at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then tomorrow's New Year's Eve. I believe it's a short abbreviated hours tomorrow. I believe it's just till 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or something. Someone's asking what the gold to silver ratio is right now. It's 62.8 to 1. Can we get into 61? Can we break 60? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The interval, yeah, the interval to increase $10 keeps shortening for spot. It took 1,396 days to go from 10 to 20. Okay, or 20 to 30. I get what he's saying. Based on when it crossed 20 July 2020. It took 14 days to go from 60 to 70. Wow. Okay. So this is the date. This is how much it was. This is how many days. So from there to there to there to there, it shows it's just accelerating. Look at that. So if it halved again, that would be 7 days from the 23rd. But who knows? We'll see. Jay Wise put, it is impossible for silver to reach $71 this year. I think he's just joking. Silver at 70, why this matters per the American Coin and Currency. More than a price target, silver pushing towards $70 isn't just a milestone. It's a market signal of major repricing phase may be underway with a potential 130% annual move, reflecting deeper structural shifts, rising industrial demand, constrained supply, capital meets consumption, how repricing happens, the accumulation window. Abraham Lincoln. I used to live in Springfield, Illinois for a little bit, land of Lincoln. Woo! Breaking, silver hits new record high of 71.50, up 140% this year. See where we're at. We're at 71.42 right now. 71.58 is the all-time high we made a little earlier. Silver futures is in the 71.50s. Gold is continuing to move sideways. It just made an all-new high, 4,499. Literally sticking its tongue out saying 4,500, you're going to have to wait a little bit. 500 people on the stream, 213 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Smash that like button. Crispy Bacon Jr. saying, I think the gold to silver ratio is 16-1 on Earth physical supply, but the Earth, but with silver use cases, I see 7-1 in my lifetime happening. That would be crazy.
Run.
Take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
It's back. I think the mic's back. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me on the mic? 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me on the mic? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm back. Wow. Gremlins trying to kill us. Laughing at me with the mic issues. I thought I had it fixed. Not quite yet. We'll get there. Thank you to Joel Z. Homesick with the flu. Been nice to have some excitement to take my mind off things. Thanks for the stream. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for that $5 super chat, Joel Z. Wishing you the best, a quick, speedy recovery. Drink those fluids. And I'm not talking about a glass of whiskey. That's what the bankers are drinking.
Run.
But drink those fluids, get well, my friend. Thank you for the support. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this market closes in 28 minutes. Right before the stream, as I was fixing everything and about to go live, I filled up Mrs. International Stacker's stocking. I did that. PM Bug, yesterday in silver. Yesterday's spot bounced around between 68 to 69. Do you guys remember when we thought 50 was a big deal? Do you guys remember when we thought 50 was a big deal? SoFlo Stacking saying, a quick note on having a local coin shop hold silver for you is when you lock in the price and say, I'm good to buy on this day, is that you have to be there or they'll stop. 100%. They'll stop honoring that if you're like bill on them. Okay, Bay from China saying China has classified the INE data of gold and silver, especially gold, as state secrets. Neither China Customs or China Ministry of Commerce will release this data. The data is disseminated on the internet, are all data analyzed and speculated by institutions and company themselves. Interesting. So that's an answer to this. The news about China massively purchasing Russian gold in November originates from a private business consulting firm in Beijing. China's customs routine report for November did not disclose gold and silver export data, and the Ministry of Commerce disclosed Russia. Okay, so wild times. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Truth or Nothing, who I think also just won a giveaway. I got to pop that in the mail. You just reminded me. Thank you. Just gifted 5 international stacker memberships. Congratulations to John Jacobs, to Briar, to Mrs. Aloha, to Derek Wildstar, and to the Verse. You all just got free international stacker memberships. Say thank you to Truth or Nothing and try out those new channel member emojis. We're going to do a war room at the end of the stream. And remember, channel members get access to the war room, and what happens in the war room stays in the war room. How's my mic sounding? My mic good? Am I good? Thank you so much for donating that. You are mega. I will probably be streaming in the morning, Scott. It depends what silver does overnight. If it, for instance, was to just move sideways and be boring, probably not. But if there's a massive move up or down, I probably will. So we'll see. Why is silver known as the devil's metal, says WWBD. It's not known as the devil's metal. It's literally never been called that until CNBC wrote an article, and now everyone jokes about it. So it's not the devil's metal. They cannot do that. Not true. And ladies and gentlemen, we're at 44,570 subscribers. Only 30 more subscribers till the next big show, which will be 44,600. I think we can do it. The market closes in the next 24 minutes, and then channel members, we will be heading to the war room. And what happens in the war room, remember, stays in the war room. Channel members, what do you think about that new Braveheart emoji? Do you guys like it? No. Thank you so much to Joe for becoming a channel member. Check out those new channel member emojis, and I'll see you in the war room. Gentlemen, there's no fighting in the war room. Actually, in the war room, anyone new in the war room, I give them a dagger, and they've got to make their way and battle through all the current members to claim their spot in the war hall. Truth or Nothing, another 5 international stacker memberships. Is that mega? Congratulations to Kane. Congratulations to Dumb Science. Congratulations to April, Stormy Wind, and who else? I missed one. And someone else. I missed it. You are all not channel members. Try out your new channel member emojis. And channel members, we will be going to the war room in about 20 minutes. 25 minutes. We've got just 22 minutes left here in market open until we go market close, and it only closes for an hour. It's technically a break, and then after hours will keep on happening. So smash that like button, subscribe if you want to catch my future live streams. And guys, my live streams are not always just charts. We travel the world and you guys tell me what to do.
So take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow.
The
look
time
at
we're on
three
the Nile
pyramids,
River.
guys. Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
I was live streaming from Poland in the Czech Republic just a couple months ago. And we are getting ready here for maybe another run. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go. The cranky one. I've said that if my updated target from October was 75 silver, 5,000 gold. If we hit that, even just one of them, I believe the first quarter in 2026 we can break 100. I do. Not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet. Do what we can do here. $44,573 subscribers. Thank you so much. 27 more until the next big show. Can we do that in the next 21 minutes? Maybe. We'll see. I'm gonna gamble all my claws. See if I get lucky. And now I have 0 claws. Seven trading days left in 2025. 80. Silver Sachs is saying. I think it's less than 8. 7. I hope it's 7, but I don't think it's 7. I don't. Wow. Harry Dent doubles down, predicts gold will crash to 1,000. S&P will crash 90%. The NASDAQ 95. Housing 70%. Worst market crash in history. The King of Bears is back again, predicting. Come on. The dude is ridiculous. Make sure you say thank you to Truth or Nothing. He's given 10 of you channel memberships. Hope you guys like it. I hope you find it valuable. Big shout out to everyone who is a channel member or the super chats. Helps the channel immensely. Helps me do what I do around the world of gold to silver adventures with y'all. Helps me give back, but you can support the channel without spending a dime. You can like a video, share a video, like a stream, share a stream, subscribe, hang out with the Crustacean Nation. So just to recap, Truth or Nothing's given out 10 memberships on this. Thank you so much. Roger and Joe also became members, and Joel Z, Home with the Flu, gave a super chat. Thank you so much for that. And looking at the poll, 412 votes. What will silver do tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time after the Asian market? 67% of you think in the morning we're going to be between $73 and $75 an ounce. 6% think below 70. 14% think 75 plus. 13% think it's going to move sideways. 10 memberships is mega. Visible comment. Big mega. Okay. We've got 18 minutes left in this market. SDCCCC Crasher is in the house. Woo! Guys, we're looking okay here. We might be building up to be doing another run. Oh, what have I done? I by mistake switched it to silver. There we go. Gold to silver ratio 62.8 to 1. And we had taken out Apple We'll be back for Apple. Don't worry. We'll be back for him. I have full confidence in that. Oh, you love the video of the gold shops in Dubai. I'm glad you like that, Kane. Thank you, IS. Says truth or nothing. Thank you. What we could do here, guys, we got just 16 minutes left in this market. Okay, there's 45 seconds left in this candle. Are you team green or team red? Of course, I think everyone's gonna be team green. Okay. Matt LassX, thank you for the $5 super chat. They won't be able to monkey hammer down silver when the market is closed Christmas Day. True. Asia will have 2 trading days to run it to 75 to 80. I was wondering that, Matt Lass. So Asian markets are still going to be going, correct? Thank you for that $5 super. That's mega. Silver Star Alone saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Mr. and Mrs. IS and Rat Stacker. Enjoy your holidays and stack higher. Thank you so much, Silver Star. And I'll turn that back to all ya. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Appreciate y'all. Oh, shout out to Steely the Stacker. He just sent some GA tax to Rat Stacker. Gonna be opening that short. Excited. You should play the Egypt video on one of your streams if the price ever chills out long enough. I could do stuff like that, Crispy Bacon. I was thinking about doing like a Mystery Science Theater 3000, where I like re-watch some of my older, most epic videos with y'all. Would you guys be interested in something like that? And I do commentary while it's going on. Ever do a video on international traveling with gold and silver? Many issues involved? Yeah. Go to my channel. Type in airport. That one right here, how to get your gold and silver through airport security. This one right here, must know hacks to shield gold and silver airport security. In Saudi Arabia, let me show you this. This was in Saudi Arabia. Now I've had no issues. I've always got everything through. But this was in Saudi Arabia. Out of here. Get out of here, co-pilot. What the heck? What the heck? How do I get rid of this? Oh my gosh, get out. Okay. Wow, that was lame. I gotta uninstall that. Okay, I was in Saudi Arabia and I had a kilo bar of silver in here and they pulled it out of security. And look, he put it up on his table. I had to be super like sly taking this video. Right there is my silver kilo bar. I ended up getting it back. But boy, was that sketchy. Boy, was that sketchy. The group trip could be fun. I'm going to the Fun Coin Show, one of the biggest coin shows in all of the United States. It's in Florida, Orlando, Florida. If you're looking for an excuse to go to Disney, I'm going to be there. January 8th, 9th, and 10th with Master Stacker. So email me if you're going to be there. And you can get an I Caught the King Crab coin. I got brand new coin designs coming out. Channel members got a sneak peek in the war room last week. And we've got just 12 minutes left here. 472 people on the stream. 279 likes. Thank you so much. That means we're only 21 likes away from 300. I know we can do it. And ladies and gentlemen, we're at 44,575 subscribers. Only 25 more subscribers until the next big show. DL, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com so we can make sure we link up so that way you can get I caught the king crab coin. But I will also be wearing an International Stacker hat. I will be wearing this at the Fun Coin Show. This is the hat I'll be wearing. Let's go. Hey, good to see you, Emerald Coast. I was just talking about Fun Coin Show. I hope to see you there as well. We got to make another video. Thank you. Yeah, bring the wife and kids. Come out, do Disney one day, coin show another day. I'm actually going to be in Epcot one of the days. For the evening, though. The day I'll be at the coin show, the evening I'll be in Epcot. Thank you. Those hats are for sale. I've got a fourth wall here. I got all kinds of International Stacker merch that's coming out. There's the link in chat from the bot. Cool. Emerald Coast is going to be there. I'm driving up on the 8th. It's going to take me 6.5 hours to get there. I don't personally fulfill that. That's a third-party company I go through. I believe they ship through to Canada. You'd have to check. I believe they do. Guys, 10 minutes left. Futures is creeping back up. Let's take a poll in chat. Are we going to have one final run at the all-time highs in the next 10 minutes? Let me know. Channel members, we are going to be going to the war room after this stream. And remember, what happens in the war room stays in the war room. All channel members. Let me get this ugly paper. You guys, for all of you that are wondering, this is worthless. This is worth nothing. I use this to talk about why physical gold and silver is so important. This is worthless. So disgusting. That's Vietnam Dong, by the way, if you're wondering. People seem to love when I say that name. Nine minutes here. Back here. Did retail buying get silver to all-time highs? Silver Degen is asking. This isn't your grandpa's silver market. It doesn't matter what I post, silver will keep moving. Keep making all-time highs into 2026. The more I post, the more people expose themselves for their lack of knowledge of the silver market. I like that. Oh, Silver Vault is saying top signal, please. So Flo saying, IS, do you know what days the fun show is happening? Maybe I can go. It's the 8th, 9th, and 10th. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Maybe Sunday too. I'm not sure, but I'm leaving Saturday. It could be Sunday too. That giant stack of Vietnam Dong I showed you is basically worthless. It used to be a lot of money. Then it hyperflated away, and now you have to have $500,000 notes. Okay, that stack I showed you probably is worth like $1.16. That's funny. I like that comment. DLC Kramer channel member saying, did you notice that 2 seconds before 4 p.m. closing bell, that gold hit 4,500 and then the bell was done and was to 4498? I guess the banks won the candle. I didn't notice that. I saw gold hit 4499. Yeah, it did not hit 45, unfortunately. 4499 57. Go. Man, guys, we got 7 minutes. If we're gonna do it, we need to do it quick. 7 minutes. So there's 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Team green or team red? Let me know in chat. I'm going team green. Let me know what you think. Here we go. $50 seconds left in this candle. 24 more subs to the next big show. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Unfortunate. The big shows. We're creeping up on futures, guys. We're creeping up on futures. Normally, I'd be looking for another run right now, but we've only got 5.5 minutes. See what we could do. See what we can do here. Okay, it looks like Team Red is gonna take it. Team Red, your award is gonna be 5,000 additional bricks for your house in heaven. Okay, last candle, 5 minutes, and then the market's closed. Is it gonna be red or green? What are you guys? Team Red, Team Green? Let me know. Let me know. Team Red or Team Green? I'm going Team Green. We got 5 minutes on this candle, then the market's closed from 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time. Then it opens back up into the after hours. May get an explosive run in the Asian market. Right, that's going to happen around 8. But as soon as this market closes, I'll start the 2-minute countdown for the war room for the channel members. And we're flipping back and forth between green and red. See what we can do here. Gold's dumping a little bit. So far for the day, we're up 3.44% on silver, 0.91% on gold. Bankers are fighting hard.
Run.
They're fighting. How to access the war room? You got to be a channel member. So all channel members, you will be teleported to the war room automatically. If it doesn't work, just go to my channel, look for the live stream. And if you're a channel member, we'll let you in. All channel members, prepare to report to the war room. Okie Stacker holding the line. Okay, guys. If it's going to do something here, watch them stop the market a minute early. If this starts pumping, watch them. Watch the market stop early. You can try to sneak in, James. It won't let you though. Although Real Geared Up Survival was able to get in at one time. We caught him. We had to waterboard him. If you're going to be at the Fun Coin Show though, email me internationalstacker@gmail.com so you can make sure we at least meet and you get an I caught the king crab coin. Okay, 2 minutes left on this market. Let's see what we do here. International Stacker says, AG Astronaut, just got my Black Friday Silver Eagle out of the mill, purchased for 43, just pinged it and it came back good with 5 peaks. Congratulations. And you guys, what AG Astronaut's talking about is a pocket pinger by Sound Money Metals. Link is in the description. The best deal you'll find on it. and it helps support the channel. Everyone needs this. It comes with a phone application, takes the guesswork out of it, tells you if your gold or silver is real or fake. And here's the sound of real silver. So get yourself a pocket pinger if you don't have one. Thank you, Derek, for subscribing. We've got a minute, 20 seconds left in this market on a green candle. Yeah, what kind of advertisements do you guys get on my channel? Emerald Coast Stacker just got Gemini. What kind of advertisements do you guys get? I'm interested. American First saying I wear Jinko jeans so I can carry my Sigma. That's funny. I remember Jinko. 100% worth it, AJ. And that sound and that peace of mind you have. Wait a second. We still got 30 seconds left, but I don't see the market moving. Did they freeze it? Look at that. 7147,640. It's not moving at all. Did they shut it early? I think. Did they shut it off early? Ladies and gentlemen, I think they shut her down early. It was supposed to go for another 4 seconds. Scandalous. Scandalous. Just a cooling issue. No big deal, says Crispy Bacon. All right, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Channel members, we're going to the war room in 5 minutes. Channel members are going to the war room in 5 minutes. Keith Peavy House, $2 super chat. I'll be naked in the war room. Try to stop me. Oh no! Keith Peavy House is coming to the war room naked. Ow! It's crazy. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Okay, what will silver be at tomorrow? 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Asian market. 67% of you said 73 to 75. 6% of you said below 70. 14% said 75 plus. 13 said it will move sideways. So I'm going to end that poll. Merry Christmas, International Stacker and fam. God bless you. You too as well, Pack Kids Stan Zinda. Appreciate it. War room in 4 minutes. Birthday suits in the war room. No! No, Watts Minor. No. Fully clothed in the war room. What an explosive trading day, guys. Congratulations. We survived it. What $75 an ounce silver would mean for junior mining companies? This is a tweet on Silver Trade. I'll retweet that, or a post. I'll repost that and look at it later. Year-to-date performance: silver 140, gold 70, S&P 16%, Bitcoin negative 6.5. Go! What a wild trading day. Channel members are going to the war room in 3 minutes. Metals are on fire, Silverhead 80s. For sure. All channel members are going to the war room. Hold on. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. May as well call it 75 at this point. That was my target. Not looking so crazy now. Even a week ago, people were like, I don't know, IS, but we hit 71.58 today. Not that far. I have a question, says Gil Crow. I invested in Silverco mining, but trading has been suspended. Man, I don't know, Gil Crow. I'd have to look into that. That means your money is locked up until whatever happens gets worked out, which can take years, unfortunately. Dwayne Decker just became a channel member. He's coming straight to the war room. War room in 2 minutes. Bankers are upset for sure.
Run.
Not looking pretty. 1 minute 40 seconds to the war room.
I take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys. Okay, this boat is coming, like, really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
What a wild trading day. Thank you everybody so much for joining me today. It's been mega for sure. Remember, the market will start moving again in about 56 minutes, but channel members, prepare yourself for the war room. Channel members, prepare yourself for the war room. You should be teleported automatically. If you're not, just go to my channel. You'll see the stream going, but all channel members should be transported automatically. Let's get those war emojis in chat. Who's ready for the war room? It's been a historic day. Okay, we're going in 15 seconds. To everyone else, thank you so much. Catch you on the next one. And all those notifications, channel members, hold your breath. Hold your breath. Here we go. Hold your breath.